everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to do a video on iOS 15.4.1. Yes, there is an update. It is called 15.4.1. So if we go here, so I had to change that back. Alright, so this iOS 15.4.1, it says includes bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone and is recommended for all viewers. Users, not viewers. Excuse me on that. So what happens is all the companies that do software updates, they continue to test the update. And if they find a problem, they release a new update. So I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to click install now. Alright, so it already downloaded it, so we don't need to go through that because it already downloaded it. I turned the auto update off so that way I could do a video on this. But I had to turn it back on to do this. So it is now verifying the update. As I stated before in all the other videos, that as you can see, it is updating. Alright, so it's all updated. And nothing has really changed from 15.4. But just to prove that it worked, I'll click Software Updates, and there we go. The phone is up to date. So it's just fixes for 15.4. Alright, so with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.